Your beliefs are not riding for you. They're dying for you, though. They're dying to the old self that no longer needs that belief. Let go of all that no longer serves you. If your belief doesn't make you feel good, if you haven't checked in with your beliefs since your childhood, come on. Come on. I know we weren't taught, but I'm sharing with you right now. Great return, great return. Responsibility. Responding, because you have the ability to. It's your duty to respond. So respond to yourself today.